Um, Thank you, friends and well wishers. It's still Oja M. I really appreciate for subscribing on my YouTube channel. The progress is there. Thank you. God bless you. So, on this today tutorial, I'll be showing you on our last tongue techniques. On our last tongue techniques, I know you must have understand tongue techniques, but then we still need to try some other parts. We bring it down to our own understanding, which is Igbo language. The English and other German man on some time. So me and them want to be meeting. Then if we continue this video and you want us to continue this video, just press the subscribe button and subscribe on my YouTube channel. That's all. Nothing more. You understand? So that if don't go on issue. So on this today's tutorial, this is my order. I'm using the smaller one to teach this. So this is the first thing we started was bringing out using your lips to tip air inside a flute. So some sounds are controlled through the lips. So the thrilling part is like this. So when you listen, now when you blow the air inside the flute, it will revive. It will revive. So you do. So now that is how you get this one. This is how you get this one. So now the second part is this. For just imagine that I ask you to blow another sound. Let's say so so so. Two or three so. You do it. Not no. It won't go. Not like this will make you feel so tired very easily and quickly. So that way will make you feel so tired. You do it. No, it's not that way. So now we in the other tutorial of movement of trying to get sound, so we did on la sola la sola. So today we are going to try this. This is do, two do. So do mi, do. So now all that I've been teaching, I have not tried a double two times tipping. I have not tried it. So try on this double. So two do and one me. So try this way and keep watching my videos, keep rewatching. I thank you for all that have been subscribing, sharing my videos and liking my videos, even saving my videos. I really appreciate that. And I want to use this opportunity to, God, I feel so happy. I want to use this opportunity to thank my wonderful friend and my senior man who said Ojamo this and that. Just living outside of the country, just say Ojamo. This is for appreciation. I thank you yeah, for appreciating me. God bless you and continue watching my video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Ojamo. Men and them one will meet you. Thank you and God bless you.